Hi friends, so today we'll see that how we can enroll the Windows 10 device into Microsoft Intune portal. So as you are following my last video, I hope that you are clear about like we have checked the Windows 10 device enrollment. So for this we have assigned the license which is Enterprise Mobility and Security. Now for that, after assigning the license, what we will do? We will assign this users means assign this user the Enterprise Mobility license, so this user will be a part of the following things like Azure Active Premium 1, P1, P2 license will get assigned to this user. After that, I will go to Intune dot and sorry the Azure Active Directory I will go, which is our Entra portal. So with the Entra portal, what I will assign the I will go to Home, and here I will type MDM Mobile Security Mobility, and here license I will go. So in the license section also guys, you will see that these are my assigned licenses. So these are my assigned licenses. Now here when I will go to MDM, so what we need to register now guys, we will have to register this MDM URL into our Windows 10 machine. Windows 10 device. So once this MDM URL will get assigned into the Windows 10 device which I have, so then I will be able to configure it. So here I in the Entra portal I will log in with my primary account of Office 365, and here after that I will go to Microsoft Intune. Now here we have to check the MDM discovery URL guys. So in order to enroll the Windows 10 device, I will put this URL here. Okay, so this is the MDM server URL where I will managing the machines. So here I will type this MDM server URL. I have to install the VMware tools here because I think it is not allowing me to copy it. So I will install the VMware tools first, and then I will paste the URL. Settings here, and I will go to work account. So once the settings will open, this is my Windows 10 machine. So in the Windows 10 machine, I will go to work account. Means I will just type the work access work or school account, and it will present you with this screen. Now once you have the internet connection, you would be able to log in with the currently enrolled user in our Intune port, I mean in our Windows 10 device. So which is our currently user, which is our Ramesh, which we have to add this user. We will add enroll this user through our login. Okay, so I will copy the email address of this user, which we have assigned the enterprise mobility license. So this user will now access this machine. I have to type only because the VMware tools is not installed. So that's the reason the copy is not working on Microsoft.com. Okay. So once we click on next, it will be signing in, and with the assigned license of enterprise mobility and security E5 license, Ramesh will be able to access the Windows device. So for this, it will register the organization. See guys, it is checking for the organizations, and it will also look for the possible groups which we have created, like we have maintained the Intune groups. As you can see here, we have assigned the license, and now we have added this into our Intune group, autopilot Intune group for our Intune license. Now it is taking some time, so please stay tuned. So, the screen, it will ask us to set our MDM server URL. So the MDM server URL will be the MDM discovery URL, which we will be aligning with our for device registration. For Windows 10 device registration, we will have to type this URL. So it is enrollment.manage.microsoft.com. entered the URL, I will go to next. So it will take for some time while checking for the authentication of this URLs with our Microsoft Intune group, and we are enrolling this in kind of let's say MDM user group enrollment. So once this enrollment will done, it will check for we could not auto discover a management endpoint group matching the username. Please check your username and try again. If you know the URL to your management and management, so we will enroll it. So we'll try to enroll it our like say our primary account, whether that be able to check on it. HTTPS management. Before that, selecting this, we have to ensure that we'll cancel it and we'll log in with our Ramesh user only, which is our Microsoft user, which we have assigned the group security groups. Okay, so once this user will assign, we have to go to our Intune portal, which is sorry, our Entra portal, which is entra.microsoft.com, which is our Microsoft Active Directory. I have logged in the primary account, and here instead of none, we will set some user scope. So we will have to add the group guys, which we have created. So Intune group will be added, which is our autopilot Intune group, and I will select those group, and thereafter I will register this URL in my, and here also I will assign the user scope as some, so that it will be easily available for access. Okay, so here also I will select some, but that is not necessary when we want to ensure the Windows information protect the user scope. And here also I can, if we want, I can check for the scope. So restore default one group we have selected. Here you can see that now this is the compliance URL as well as it is the discovery URL. So what is the difference between these two? Discovery URL will ensure the Windows 10 device will get registered, and this compliance URL, it will be helpful for checking the users if whether they are in the device is compliant or not, guys. Okay, so here I will check for that group and I will register the machine if I have to check. So here also, if I will select the Intune group, select, and I will, so it will create a Windows information protection user scope without any, but it is not supported for this. So just we can leave that and you can save it. Okay, so you can see that guys, it is successfully saved. Now we will be enrolled to device again, and I will go to next. So that it will take some time to register the device. So please stay tuned. Setting the password for the this user cloud 459 by going to portal.office.com, and this portal we will be able to log in. Now while logging we will update the password. So I will go to WH. We can check for the audio also if you want. Okay, it's not contact your administrator. I'll set up a password rollout policy. Okay, so let again try to log in portal dot. So I'm trying to log into the portal so that I would be able to access the user account. Now I can reset the password. It's this is the user, and suppose I have to reset it, I will check for this part. Okay, it's not allowing us. We'll have to check for this part. Reset the password for this since I am a global administrator. So for which my account, so I will change the password or reset the password for these users. So it is has multi-factor authentication already assigned. So I will go to devices. manage username. I will go here. This is the username. If I can also change the username, but since I have to reset the password, I will go click on here and I will let's say automatic create a password, and it will require this user to change the password when they first sign in. Okay, so now it's creating automatically reset password. I can also it and I can also copy this password and close it. So this password I will need it when I will log into the portal.office.com, and from there I will reset this password, guys. So I will click on I will type the email address as cloud459, and now I will type the password which I have done. It will ask me to reset the password. First, before resetting it, it would be asking me to authenticate with our authenticator app. So let's log into the Microsoft Authenticator app. It will get the request on my phone. So I have authenticated the app with the Microsoft Authenticator app, and now I would be able to reset the password, guys. So I will ensure the password, current password, I will paste it, and next password I will edit this one, two, three. Okay. So this I have updated the password and I have logged into the its password is not matching. Let's say password doesn't match. Let's type here again the other password I will type here. Okay, let's try to sign in now. So we are trying to sign into the user. Okay, we'll have to check other password. Let's say it's not accepting us as per to the security policy. So I will check a new password. Okay, let's try to use this password. Now this Windows 10 device will also authenticate once this password will get reset. So it's not asking the password. Let's take a strong password. Strong password, and it's able to sign in. Now after the password gets signed up, we will be able to check for our going to Windows 10 machine now. Here I will go next.